Honorable Zhao Shuzhen, Consulate General of the People's Republic of China in Davao City. Honorable Dedi Faisal bin Ahmed Saleh, Consulate General of Malaysia. Regional Directors and representatives of national government agencies. 21st Davao City Councilors, Deputy Mayors, Attorney Francis Mark Layog, Davao City Administrator, Davao City Department Heads, Davao City Chinatown Development Council, Tourism Council of Davao City, Security Clusters, fellow government workers, ug kamong mga nadya skilled nako karong gabion ha. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. To the Consul General of the People's Republic of China in Davao City, Honorable Zhao Shuzhen, the Davao City Filipino-Chinese community, fellow government workers, members of the academe, representatives of from the private sector, and guests. If you do not know, kibaw ba mo kaniadtong panahon, we have been trading with China pre-colonial Philippines. So kaniadtong panahon diya sa Zamboanga naanay trade between China ug ang mga karaang tribo diha, mga Tausog manang kasagaran diha sa Zamboanga. Naanatay exchanges of culture, exchanges of whatever tanan of people. But hantod karon na agihapon. But you have never seen the Chinese people attempt to colonize ang Pilipinas. And I'm sure it will stay the same way hantod karon and for years to come. So, kanimanggong narrative that is being pushed, I do not know by whom, but I do not want to specifically point out kung kinsa man gyud diha. Well, they are in government. I hate to see the current ambassador, having to deal with behavior that is unfriendly towards a loving neighbor and a peaceful neighbor towards the Philippines. So I hope my wishes would be it would calm down and they would talk in a peaceful ways or in a peaceful manner, communicate in a peaceful manner. Because there is no only way for us to move forward but to promote mutual benefit from both sides. Tonight, we celebrate not only the New Year, but the long-standing relationship between Davao City and China. For tonight, we're also launching the Davao City Chinatown Coffee Table Book, which chronicles the journey of the first Chinese families in Davao City and showcases the deep-rooted history of our Chinese communities. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, kining tulay nga atong ginatungtungan karon ginagamit ginaagian, gihatag ni sa tuas at sina nga libre wa tay gigasto mo na atong timan-an. As far as I can remember, it is a gift to former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during his term. Regalo ni sa China siyang birthday ko, no? That is how they packaged it, but ultimately, it is for the Davaoenos. So, swerte ta nga tagaan ta, kinanglan mapasalamaton ta, and we have to remember that China is a friend. They are neighbors. Dili na to gustog silingan nga kaaway nimo. Kaya ang silingan, duol kay na sa imuha. Kamo, ganahan ba mo nga inyong silingan, kalaban ninyo, paggawas ninyo, magnilibakay mo, sige mag-away, mo nang di na to gusto. And in fact, We benefit from China in terms of our economy. Daga mga barato, mga palitonon, kana inyong mga cellphone nga gina picture diha sa kuha. Diha, kung dili na made in China, ambot kong asa. Pero kinang lanta makasabot na China has grown exponentially in the past 20 years. And I am sure that they are willing to share this growth and prosperity with the Philippines for years to come. So, mas maayo, mas daghan tag-amigo kaysa mas daghan tag-kaaway. Mo nang importante kayo para kanaton tanan. So, nalipay ko, well, diri sa Davao, assimilated na mangyud ang Chinese o mga Dabawenyo pati ang mga tribo. Ipanahon bitaw sa Kadayawan, aron ng Davao, naapon na sila diha, mga Chinese na ang mga tribo. Ang mga migrants kaniadtong panahon, kitang mga Bisaya, mga Bulanon, daghan kayo, napoy mga Ilocano, Ilonggo. So kaning Davao is a melting pot of different cultures. So again, akong ingnon, we have strength in our diversity. Mao kini nagapakusog sa tuwa kaysa lahi-lahi na to mga kultura o kagikan diha ta mokuha og kusog. Basta ang importante kay ang pagkahiusa og tinabangay. Mao nang karon ang ganahan kay na kong gibalik-balik bago na human ang eleksyon. Medyo opposition ta sa administrasyon karon. Ginakalaban ta nila, pero asa man ta karon, naalang gihapon ta, Dabawenyo, gabarog lang gihapon ta, o wa ta nila matumba. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, we extend our utmost gratitude to the People's Republic of China for making the bridge possible. Bukana Bridge serves as a vital part of the Davao City Coastal Road Network and the city government's goal towards modernization and infrastructure development. It stands as a monumental reminder and a symbol of the friendship between China and Davao City. Thank you. Magang salamat. This 2026, we welcome the year of the Fire Horse. Like its dynamic and high energy attributes, we too must also be courageous, spirited, and bold in pursuing our goals and aspirations for the year. May this new year fill us with hope and abundance as we continue to build stronger communities for a more prosperous future ahead. So mga Dabawenyo, kayod lang. Sagulan ako gamay politika, ang tanan ninyong gipili, kantong niaging eleksyon, kaya ang hugpong sa tawong lungsod, kayod lang ta, tagaan munamo o gobyerno, nga ampingan inyong kwarta o makita ninyo nga mauli sa inyo ha. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, Kong Hei Fat Choi, God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte. Please remain on stage as we move to a much-awaited highlight of our evening, the ceremonial lighting of the Davao River Bridge. And at this point, we would also like to request the presence of our Consul General of the People's Republic of China in Davao City, Consul General Chao Shuxin. Together, our leaders will symbolically illuminate this magnificent gift, marking a bright new chapter in our shared journey of friendship and progress. We would like to request all our Dabawenyos, guests, audience, hilabi na sa ato ang mga guests, our city officials, to please stand. And all together, let's join our voices as one community to light up this bridge. Sa makausap as loud as you can, Dabawenyos, andam na ba mo? pagkataas jud sa ilang enerhiya. So sa wala pa'y paglangay-langay, please direct your attention to our LED video wall. And let's count down together from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! For his continued support in preserving the ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte and the Coffee Table Book Technical.
塞巴斯蒂安·杜特尔特市长，达沃市的朋友们，农历新年的钟声即将敲响，在这个充满期盼的美好时刻，我谨代表南宁市人民政府和全市市民，向远方的你们致以最亲切的节日问候和最真诚的新春祝福。南宁与达沃虽山海相隔，但友谊的纽带早已让我们心意相通。自结为友好城市以来，我们携手前行，在经贸、交通、文化、教育等领域开展了卓有成效的合作。双方的友谊历久弥坚，是我们共同的宝贵财富。新的一年代表着新的开始，也孕育着新的希望。南宁期待与达沃继续并肩前行，不断深化彼此的理解与交流，共同发掘更多合作机遇，让双方关系更上一层楼，让友谊的果实更好地惠及两市人民。最后，衷心祝愿达沃市2026年农历新年庆祝活动圆满成功，祝愿两市友谊长青，祝福达沃市的兄弟姐妹们新春快乐，家庭幸福，万事如意。